Whee! Magic C loves to slide. Whee! All right, friends, today we are working with a slide letter, which is our Y. You get to slide 2 times. So you are going to slide down between the lines and make it look like a slide. A slide should slant, right? It's not coming straight down. And then you get to do a big slide, again on a diagonal, slant it, and make it a descending letter so it goes below the line. So uppercase Y, you get to slide and bump. Slide, bump the top line. Slide, bump the second line, the bottom. Slide, bump the top. Slide, bump the bottom. Ooh, that's a nice one. Check. All right, then you've got your lowercase y, and this one goes below the line. So slide and bump, and then go back to the top and bring this one low. Slide and bump, back to the top, low. Slide and bump, back to the top, low. All right. Now, for each of these words, we are just going to add the letter Y. So you get a lot of Y practice. What new words do you make? So write the letter, say the word, try. Write the letter, say the word, cry. What sound is the Y making in all these words? It's not ya. A lot of times, remember, Y can say I at the end of words, and it can also say E, like in the number words over here, 20, 30, 40. It has that E sound. All right, so keep practicing your Ys. Say the words. Here you're adding a T and a Y. A lot of numbers end with a T and a Y. Again, when you're done writing the numbers, say them out loud.